With the construction of Old Crystal Bay Road wrapping up, back to school at Orono Middle School and High School is going to look a bit different this year. New and improved roadway and access routes will make navigating school campuses both quicker and safer for drop-offs and those walking to and from school. You will soon forget about the extensive backups and delays that were common at school drop-off and pickup times. The most obvious change you will notice is moving the middle school's south entrance to line up with the high school's south entrance, which is now controlled by an all-way stop. A new concrete median better moves traffic between the two primary school campus intersections and allows for an enhanced pedestrian crossing. A few entrances were removed with construction to improve the traffic circulation and safety. These changes will result in new parent drop-off routes for both middle school and high school. To drop a student off at the middle school, enter through a new south all-way stop and line up through the parking lot. The student may exit the vehicle when you have reached a stopping point along the sidewalk. Do not get out of line to pass other vehicles until all students have exited your vehicle. Be sure you always look for students walking, especially as you approach the marked crosswalk. Then continue to exit through the north all-way stop. At peak drop-off times, a gate arm will be lowered to block direct entrance to the drop-off area. Outside of drop-off times, this gate will be open. Do not attempt to access the drop-off route from the north all-way stop. This entrance is a one-way and stacking of vehicles will disrupt traffic on Old Crystal Bay Road and bus drop-off routes. Now let's look at the high school drop-off. To drop a student off at high school, enter through the north all-way stop and turn left into the west entrance, closest to the door. Be sure to always look for students walking, especially as you approach the marked crosswalks. Once all students have exited the vehicle at a stopped location along the sidewalk, you may continue through to the southbound only exit or back to the north all-way stop to travel north. The buses will access drop-off locations through the north all-way stop. Be aware of buses entering and exiting the school campuses and allow them room to pass through. A key improvement for more efficient movement of traffic is the addition of dedicated turn lanes at each of the two all-way stops. This reduces the length of backups on Old Crystal Bay Road. A key improvement for safer pedestrian crossing of Old Crystal Bay Road is the new and enhanced crossing between the two school entrances. This crossing includes a center median for a pedestrian refuge area between two shorter crossing distances of the roadway. A rectangular rapid flashing beacon will warn drivers that someone is crossing. Thank you for watching and working with the Orono School District to provide safe and convenient school access for everyone. For more information or to contact us, visit the project website.